Hey everybody, Mike down here, Mike's Off-Road 2. We're in the second shop over here doing some project stuff. Got the big projects over here. We got CJ7 here that we started on. You may be seeing some other footage on it, but where we're at right now is we're doing a lot of steel patching right now. It's been sandblasted, and typical CJ7 got a lot of rust. So I'll show you kind of what we got going on here. Over here on the passenger side, we've got a little mud going on here, put a little body filler in. We actually had your typical CJ7 rust here. There's a little spot here we took care of here, and if you come back to the back here, you can actually see everything has been steel patched. We actually cut the rust out, put steel patches in. Inside the Jeep, we can go in here and we take a look on the inside. We've got your normal rust spots, the two back corners on the CJ7, driver's side floor pan. Inside work, we did some inside work over there. Other spots, these 7s like to rust out. Back here in these back corners. Basically your stock roll bars here, and they rust out back here. So we've also steel patched this. We've done basically the same thing over here on the driver's side. Next stage for this thing here is we've got all our metal work done. We'll start shooting material. I'll bedline the inside, and we will get some sealer on the outside of this thing, and we'll go from there. Well, over on this side of the shop, we've got my 66. I've been playing with it evenings and weekends, putting a little time in it. I've actually sprayed bedliner in this thing, completely bedlined the inside, seals all the seams up really well. Did something a little different on the roll bar. Did a little double hoop in the back, did my front tubes, and also while I was in here, I'm just gonna completely redo the inside of this. I'm going to leave the outside the way it is. I do not want to paint the outside. This was painted at Bozeman, Ford in 1968, and we're gonna leave it that way. Kind of like the old school look on the outside. Also stuff inside, I'm gonna do the whole inside. I redid the dash. There's one thing in here that a lot of people don't notice, but generally there's something you can't do when you put a roll cage in one of these Broncos. Let's just have you guess and see what's different about that dash there. This is a 1966, but everything's pretty much in stock locations. A few final touches here on the inside of my Bronco. I'm not gonna put the ashbury back in. I'm actually gonna build just a sunglasses tray there. I took the original dash off, so I'm gonna just go to sunglasses tray here. I'm in assembly mode right now. We got some finish up wiring, and I'm gonna do the inside of my doors, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Trying to get my old toys ready for the spring. Like to run this thing around with the top off, so we'll just get the inside done and we'll go from there. Anything you need, give me a holler down here at Mike's Off-Road. We can take care of you.